Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. I am incredibly happy and grateful for all of your love and support. Thanks to you all, I finally hit 1K subscriber on my YouTube. This milestones means so much to me and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my trades, how I take them and the reasoning behind them. So make sure you watch it till the end and understand my strategy to improve your trading skill. And if you have not joined my Telegram group yet, you're missing out a lot. Join it now. The link is mentioned down below. Also, if you want to join my VIP channel, you have to create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20 and send me your trader ID. Okay, so now let's get started with the video. So guys, I've already chosen my multiple currency pairs and I'm trying to find perfect entry. As you can see that I have already placed 3 trades and those were back-to-back Sureshot as well. So this is how I usually prefer trading. Okay, I'll just be taking probably 6 to 7 trades per day, and this is how I trade. So make sure you watch it. Okay, so here I can see there is one opportunity. If you see here, the market broke out of our resistance area and the target of the market is about to be fulfilled. So in this kind of situation, I really like to take a reversal trade. Okay, so let's see how the candle will close and I will pinpoint you the exact location of what I was referring to. So here, this will be our strong support. Okay, there is more than 2 touches, right? And here there was a breakout. Okay, so there was a gap down opening of the candle and there needs to be a reversal. See that there's a gap. Okay, that was a gap down opening. Okay, and this is a fake breakdown. Why I'm telling this is a fake breakdown? Because if you see to the upside, there's a breakout too. Correct? Let me pinpoint. Okay, so there was a breakout of our strong resistance with a healthy green candle. So what market did, market was in a downtrend situation, but after the breakout of our resistance, now market is going to trend to the upside direction. Okay, the market was in a downtrend. After the breakout, now market is going to reverse, which is why I've taken my reversal trade. Also, the target of the market was fulfilled and there was our strong support. And this is a Sureshot ITM trade. You see that how easy it looks, but you need to understand the entire situation of the market, and then you will not require any indicators. You do not have to depend on any indicators or any strategy because you will build your own strategy, and I guarantee you that. Okay, so this is a ITM trade as well. So after this green candle, we will not be taking any trades here. We will be stopping because the market can go further down and this is a seller's area. Okay, there needed to be one green candle, which is why I've taken my trade, but now I will stop taking any more trade because this is a seller's area. Correct. So now let's go and find another chart. So major trend is uptrend. Okay, and let's see. Okay, there's a double top formation. Okay, and the red candle has engulfed our previous green candle. So in this kind of situation, we do not take any trade until we are clear about the direction of the market. So the next target of the market could be this one, but since it is not clear, so I do not prefer trading in such charts. So market is in a downtrend situation and there is no reference on the left hand side, and this is not a good chart for me to trade. Okay, so I'll be looking for another chart. Okay, here market is in an uptrend situation. Okay, it is making higher highs and the current green candle looks very healthy. You see guys, there's a little tip about candlestick psychology. If you see a green candle with no lower wick and there's the upper wick, that means it's a very strong healthy green candle. Okay, and buyers are very active in this kind of situation. So because of that reason, I've taken my buy entry here. But since the green candle has previously engulfed the red candle, there might be one reversal candle as well. So this trade is going to be my 50-50 trade. I am not 100% sure about this trade, but the green candle looks very strong to me, and the major trend is uptrend. Okay, and also I have placed my marginal safety trade. So let's see how the trade goes. Okay, the trade is going on our favor. Okay, so here guys, because of my entry point, this is a win, right? And there's a reversal, so I will be taking one more buy entry from here, and I will tell you exactly why I've decided to take my buy entry here. Okay, so what market did, first of all, you have to understand why there was a reversal candle after a strong healthy green candle, because the target of the market was fulfilled. The previous green candle engulfed our red candle and the target of the market was fulfilled, which is why there was a reversal candle here, which is a very weak seller's candle. So if I compare the weak seller's candle to the previous strong buyer candle, then definitely the buyers will enter again in the market, right? Which is why I've taken my buy entry here back to back on the same chart, and this is going to be 100% ITM trade, and I'm sure about this trade. And this is a ITM trade. Okay guys, I'll also explain you with a screenshot. Okay, this is the ITM trade. Perfect. um so the next target of the market would be here. This would be the target of the market, right? I'll explain you exactly why I've taken back-to-back trades on the same chart. Okay, so with the screenshot, let me grab a pen. So what was happening is this is a buyer's area, correct guys? This is a buyer's area. So market major trend was also uptrend, and the minor trend was also aligned with the major trend. That was a plus point. And with this big green candle with no lower wick and with just the upper wick, I confirm that the market is bullish and there needs to be green candle. But since the green candle has already fulfilled the previous red candle, there was the possibility of a reversal as well, right? Which is why I took my marginal trade, marginal safety trade, and that was a winning trade. But the reversal candle was not strong enough to form another red candle, which is why with that confirmation I took another trade back to back. Okay, so this red candle, if you see, the green candle has fulfilled, which is why there was a reversal with a very tiny seller's candle, which is not as strong as the previous green candle, right? So I took my buy entry in the next green candle, and that was the ITM trade as well. So in the same chart you can analyze and you can take trades like this. So guys, I have taken enough trades for today, and I think I'm done with my trading session. The market target of the market is going to be fulfilled here, but I will not be taking any more trades here because there's a very little bit space left, and this is what psychology is all about. You have to fix your trading psychology so that you don't make more losses, and also money management. Okay, so with this, I hope you like my video. I hope you will keep supporting me and loving me, and if there's anything I can help you with, please comment me down below. Also, if you want to learn anything new, please comment me down below. Okay, so with this, I'm signing out for today. I am done with my trading session, but I will be placing few horizontal lines, support and resistance for my next trading session, which will be in the evening. Also for VIP members, regular session is on. And with this, I'm signing out for today, guys. Thank you so much.